Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add long story in Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then swipe your screen to the right to create a story. And from here, tap on your camera roll at the bottom left corner of your screen. And feel free to choose any long video that you want to post. Unfortunately, Instagram story can only accommodate up to 60 seconds of the video. So if you have a video longer than that, so like the portion of the video that you want to post. Once you're done, just click done at the upper right corner of your screen. And then customize your story by adding text, adding stickers, music, or filters. And once you're done customizing, tap the arrow icon that is pointing to the right and then share your story with your followers. And that's how you can easily add a long story on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!